Hi guys, so I'm out here with my buddy Eric and Casey, and they're gonna help me put on my tow hitch that I got. It's a Draw Tite 75659 Class 3 receiver. So got it out of the bag. Eric's sorting through all the stuff right now. I think that's falling in my face. Let me get down there. So we're gonna go through all the hardware and the piece, and it should just bolt up like very easily as opposed to any grinding with the Kurt brand.
Right.
All right, so here's the unit itself. Pretty compact actually. And it looks like the bolts and everything go directly through.
Here and holds it to go across.
Yeah, because this hole is bigger on the inside.
Yeah.
So the holes are, there's holes on both sides?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Smaller on the outside.
So you're gonna go through those two holes right there. It's side mounted. It's gonna go through the whole chassis on both sides. So it should mount up easily. Eric's got the first bolt in here. Look at that, that's clean. So the second one will go right there in the other hole. And yeah, they mount up nicely. Look at this. Very simple. You have the support tube and then the main bolt. So this should carry a lot of weight on there. That's really just gonna be for my bikes, but yeah, this one's gonna mount easily.
All right, Corey.
So it's easiest to put these in kind of a little bit backed out, so then I can lift the hitch, and then they can start screwing those on.
Let's try it.
All right, Eric's got this side on there. It actually has a direct fit. Goes right through the outside of those holes, in, and then this side as well.
Wow.
It's not big enough.
This side as well. The key is to, when you slide this up, you need somebody to hold the centerpiece, so that way one person can get these bolts through. But right here, what he did was he kept these nuts and bolts kind of way back, and then once you get it into the area, you can push them all the way through and then get them locked on with the nuts. So you have washer here on the inside, you have a washer on the outside where the bolt is over here.
There you go.
Dude, this is actually very easy, man.
You did it? Want the press range?
I'm good.
Last step is this U-bolt here. Goes
Tell me that. You said she had two
right
belts
on this hook right here, right inside. Tighten those two up.
There's like
So total of 6 bolts. So we got these two on this side. Super clean. 2 for the U-bolt. And then 2 on this side. Super easy. About 15 minutes. Alright, there we go. Actually, it looks like it's beyond there, right? Looks good. Alright guys, that's it. Pretty easy. Thank you Eric and Casey for putting that on there.